Good morning, friends. Welcome to Kundan's Bridal Couture. I am Pratik Mittal, and here at Kundan's Bridal Couture, we try to make sure that every product of our product, every material used, every fabric used, and every artisan that we use for the product making is from India. So totally, completely made in India lehengas. These varieties is premium. We call them premium basically because to like 2 or 3 reasons. First being the fabric, second being is the quality of material, and third is the way the karigari has been done. The products are very beautiful here, and we try to keep in mind what exactly the bride wants. Color is variant. All this variety that you are seeing over here is in silk fabric. All the color options are available from red to bottle green, from Tuscany to fuchsia to baby pink to coral to peach color and golden. Every color is available at my studio. We customize, that is, we are a couture. That means we are dynamic in nature. That means you can actually design the concept that you would like. You can make certain kind of changes, and you can make a changes to the color and fabric as well. So guys, let's start the video. I'll explain what kind of lehengas I am making and what kind of material I am using in them. I'll explain you the designing with the variety I'm gonna show you. It's super hit variety. We start from 30,000 in bridal lehengas, in handwork lehengas, and we go up till 70,000. The 4 main countries that I'm delivering in is Mauritius, New Zealand, US and UK. So my WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description. You can click on the WhatsApp link and call me directly, video call, and have a view at the product from close. Can ask for pictures and videos, and we are totally customer oriented. That means the way the customer wants us, we deal the customer the same way. So come on, let's start the video, and I'm gonna explain the today's videos in English concept.
तो आप मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. यूजर आईडी आपको दिख रही होगी, वहाँ पे मैं न्यू अपडेट डालता रहता हूँ, तो फॉलो कर लेना.
So friends, let's start with the first section. Here, I'm gonna show you all the fabric that is used in the lehengas is Micro Velvet Super 9000. It's a fabric that belongs to a velvet fabric, family of velvet fabric, because the color on the fabric comes very unique and very dark. And for that reason, we need a heavy fabric to create all the lehengas. The handwork quality is exactly very explicit and intricate, which means you can see the designing of the lehenga, and the work done is exactly same on each curly. The pattern made is continuous. It's all jal concept. We have used 2 peacock and a tree to make it a little more representative. This is Aridori work in this. We have given a highlighting of jerkin in this. Super hit designing on micro velvet fabric in blood red color. Dupatta, you can see it's 3 inches border dupatta with 2 types of booties given on that. Super hit designing with heavy blouses in bridal concept, totally in bridal concept, and I'm gonna show you 5 more designs in the same color and on the same fabric. So let's come to the second design. So here at Kundan's, we try to keep in mind the quality of the product. Quality is extreme because we try to focus on the material used. Material that is used is polished and will never get black till 15 to 20 years. The lehenga remains same for long period of time, that is 20 years, and we take the guarantee of the lehenga. This lehenga is totally in cut work with 2 borders, all in Zardozi work. It is Zardozi work with sequence highlighting and French knots. Super hit designing with cut work border and total jal concept with given circle booties. I have launched this product in 39,000 rupees with a cut work border in the same 9,000 super micro velvet fabric with a heavy blouse. The fabric that we use is very pure. Work done is very intricate, it's very heavy, and it's total hand work. Premium variety, I'll show you the third design in micro velvet, which I'm making in a temple design. So we have to keep designing in our mind so that some of the designs are total heavy and jal concept, and some of the designs are heavy in border and total booty concept on the upper part of the lehenga. Here, in this lehenga, you can see the bottom. We have given 4 to 5 borders with 2 inches and half inches each. Here we have provided a 5-inch border with all the French knots work with a cut dana lining and jerkin pasting. Here we have used a poth material that is a semi-precious stone, and this is all handmade lehenga. Using the temple design over here, putting a kalash inside it and giving booties all over on the upper part, we have created something very unique in the market. All the designing that we are doing over here is premium and is totally limited to Kundan's Bridal Couture, Chandni Chowk. The designing that I'm showing you, all the 5-6 designs in the initial video are on micro velvet. This lehenga is priced at 44,500 with a super hit design of a blouse, front and heavy back and sleeves. If you want any kind of customization, that is totally possible at our studio. The 4 main countries, I'll repeat, I'm dealing in is UK, US, New Zealand and Mauritius. This is my fourth design, totally in jal concept, and you can change the color as well if you want coffee color on this. It looks very superb. The threadwork looks very superb on the dark color. Showing you my original design on the blood red color. It's a beautiful design with a heavy border and a total golden cutwork border. Totally in jal concept over blood red color. It comes with the same colored dupatta, costing for rupees 36,500 only. Super hit designing, very popular at Kundan's Bridal Couture. You can book the pieces anywhere in the world, sitting at your place. You can go to description, click on the WhatsApp link, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. We keep uploading all the super hit designs. Jamaluddin's Canopy. The word canopy itself means dome. Using the word canopy, we have created a canopy style lehenga with zigzag lining, making a dome over it. Each kali has 2 kalis in it, giving it a maximum flare of 4 meters. Super hit variety used all over jerkin and both with nakshi and dabka highlighting, made very beautiful and intricate handwork. Very hot selling piece at Kundan's Bridal Couture. We are taking bookings for November, December, January and February. The pieces, if you want as it is, can be delivered within 15 to 20 days all over the world. And if you want any type of customization, that is also possible in our lehengas. You can change the color and you can change the fabric if you want. What I show you is Ishtiaq Supernova. This is again we made in 10 kalis with a flare of more than 4 meters. Very super hit lehenga with all the jal concept and a double jerkin border. Guys, anyone, any bride who is interested in booking our lehengas can be very carefree about the flare. We keep extreme focus on the flare and the work done on the lehenga. Material used is exactly the best material available in India. We don't choose or anything outside India. It's totally made in India. This product is available in 2 colors for now. One is red color and one is fuchsia pink color. I'll show you the second color. Brides, as I told you, coming to the fuchsia color of the same lehenga, that is dark magenta color. Very super hit lehenga, Supernova, Ishtiaq Supernova, in range of 42,000 rupees. I'm showing you both the colors simultaneously. That is dark magenta color and the blood red color. As you can see, as I told you, the variety is premium, which exactly means that it makes a flare like this. You can see the flare of the lehenga. It's very superb and unique, because if the flare of the lehenga is not too much and it's less, then doesn't really matter how good the work is, because if the fitting is not good, lehenga looks absolutely so bad. It's a very super hit design, giving the maximum flare, available in 2 colors for now and can be customized the way you want it. As we say, we are a couture that we manufacture and we can change the design and the color according to the customers. Now friends, I'm gonna show you 5 designs in a blood red color on mulberry silk fabric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming to the first design, for the range of 36,500. We have kept the dupatta in contrast, giving it a very unique touch. As you can look at the lehenga, it comes with a heavy border with all Zardozi and French knots work. We have used sequins as a highlighting and orange and red threads to give it an intimate look. Conceptual piece that comes in booty and with a heavy tagdi pattern with the orange threading and an orange contrast dupatta. Gives it a supreme look. Just launched this piece in a rate of rupees 35,000, which is available at Kundan's Bridal Couture, Chandni Chowk. For more pictures and videos, you can WhatsApp on the given link in the description, or you can visit our Instagram page. We are delivering worldwide and we can deliver within 15 to 20 days if you want exactly the same pieces. And if you want any kind of customization, we need around 3 to 4 months for that. That is, we are taking the bookings for November, December, January and February. This is exactly the Sabyasachi designer, Sabyasachi Mukherjee design. We have created this piece again on mulberry silk fabric over a blood red color with 3 heavy borders and a jhumka pattern. Give it a very dynamic jal concept with an empty fabric thing, exposing a red color on the lehenga. Very fine fabric, very fine stitching with a very intimate work of white dabka and nakshi. beautiful piece. If you want the second dupatta, that can be made on order, and you can go for baby pink color, golden color, and a peach color in contrast with that. Now let's come to the third design. Coming to my favorite design, that is Jamaluddin's Heaven. We have made a heaven on this lehenga. That is a paradise. A lehenga with all the things that makes it so beautiful with exceptional figure design. Coming to the designing of lehenga, it comes in with a very heavy border divided into 4 sections till 10 inches with the heavy birds flying all over the lehenga, giving it a very unique design. Taking a concept from Shamlal Bhumika, we have created a very unique piece over a red mulberry fabric, giving all the work in white tapka work with a golden touching. To add colors to it, threads of pista and baby pink has been used with the lehenga. And please brides, focus on the work quality because the work that we have used in the lehenga is different kind of materials, and this material remains as it is for 20 years, that we guarantee. Super hit pieces, and if you're looking for any bridal piece in premium range and you want them to be delivered at your home, then Kundan's Bridal Couture is the best option for you. Coming to my next design, over the blood red color in mulberry silk fabric, the color is very fine and dark. Maybe due to excessive lights in the showroom, the color might be shown a little light or dull, but it's an extremely bright red color. All the work in the lehenga has been done with the help of tapka in this. Ari Sui has been a type of technique of making the lehenga and doing the karigari on it. To use the Ari needle, it's very intricate and complicated, and this design has been created within a time span of 35 to 40 days. Super hit designing with a heavy border and coming with the hukum patta and a total jal concept with a cut dana using tapka and Ari Sui, giving us a dozy touch to it with a poth and peach color resham, gives a very unique lehenga with an extreme flare. The flare in my lehengas will come more than 4 meters to give it a very unique stitching. We guarantee the expressiveness in the fabric quality and the work material used. All the things that have been used are made in India, from fabric to material to the karigars. The range for this lehenga is 42,000 rupees. Brides, I'm gonna show you my 2 designs that are very super hit designs in the range of 60,000. I won't talk about this design in the video, just gonna show you the work. And if you like this design, you can send the screenshot on the given numbers and we'll send you all the pictures and videos and can show you on video call. Very super hit design for the range of 60,000. I'll show you one more design that I'm not gonna open in the range of 60,000. That is Aslam Tota design. Very super hit quality work. The work in my lehengas will be very extremely fine and intricate and dynamic. The material that has been used is Zardozi with more than 30 karigars used in a single piece. Super hit piece for 60,000 in blood red color. Since I have shown you the red color so much in the video, that's why I'm skipping these 2 lehengas, and let's come to some contrasting and some unique colors who want for their marriage some unique variety. Coming to this bottle green lehenga, comes in 3 colors: wine, fuchsia and bottle green. We introduced this design by the name of Adil's Paradise. Super hit design in a bottle green color with supreme flare with more than 4.5 meters. The work quality you can see in the lehenga is very clear crystal. Very fine piece using a fabric of mulberry family that cost us more than 10,000 rupees to create this lehenga. Since the threads have been used in baby pink, I have used a baby pink net with the lehenga to give it a contrast look. The border comes in cut work, and you can take a straight cut border as well if you want that. Super hit piece for a bridal concept for the brides who want bottle green for their marriage. That's the design that I showed you. It's available in 3 colors for now. First comes in fuchsia color. Second color that we are making is a wine color with a baby pink dupatta in a straight cut border. The design that I show you, bottle green, this is the 3rd color that is available, and this piece is available for a range of 68,000 rupees only. Very super hit quality work and very designer lehenga. Guys, if you have this range, please go for this lehenga. It's a super hit from Kundan's Bridal Couture. You the bottle green color in a simple lehenga for the brides who want a lightweight and less work in their lehengas. This is Abdullah's design. The color has been a little different from the previous lehenga, and the material used with this has been dark coral and a purple color shade. The dupatta of this lehenga has been created on an organza fabric with all the white booty concept and a heavy border. Coming back to the lehenga comes with two double border till 6 to 7 inches with a bail going towards upside. With an empty pattern in between, it comes with a heavy tagadi style. Priced at rupees 35,000 rupees only at Kundan's Bridal Couture. This piece is very beautiful and exclusively available for bookings. I'm gonna open this design, just showing you a look for this design, and if you want this design you can visit our Instagram page as we have shown the complete outfit on the dummy and on the brides. Very super hit design with a clear crystal work as can be seen in the video. It has been made with all the work of both and Jaco Kardana with highlighted with sequence work. Very clear crystal work, very intricate design for rupees 38,000 at Kundan's Bridal Couture. In Tuscany color, this design is very unique and a very real crystal work again with Zardozi, Tapka, sequence and Nakshi all over it. This design comes with a heavy border with the bail pattern and booties all over it. It's a very lightweight lehenga with total handwork and with the extreme flair. This lehenga has been contrasted with Tuscany and a pink color, and thus we have used a coral magenta color dupatta over it. Exceptionally beautiful lehenga, very unique color for those brides who are ready to go for something that is very unique in the market. Looking at the blouse also comes in a very heavy pattern with a heavy hand stitched. If you want any kind of piece, you can WhatsApp me on the given number or please visit I'm gonna show you next 5 designs in the baby pink color. Coming to my first design, this has been created with a heavy border in 3/4 pattern with all over booties over it. Exceptionally beautiful in 10 kalis with mulberry fabric and Zardozi work. Work in my lehengas is very intricate as mentioned, and the quality is extreme. We focus in quality more than the pricing. The prices for my product will be same for all the lehengas, and we do not bargain for any kind of thing. If you like any kind of my product, you can just WhatsApp me on the given number. All the prices have been mentioned on the display screen. This piece comes for 42,000 rupees only. Design, that is Adil's Paradise. This design is completely in jal concept and very heavy design, which comes with a peach colored dupatta. It's made in 10 kalis with a very extreme flair, with a super hit golden work and very unique in designing. Comes with a heavy border with a very intricate booty with a jal concept and a heavy kalis going upward, giving a very jal concept and very exceptionally beautiful. Please have a close up. We are showing you the close-up of the lehenga to show the work quality. Work quality of the lehenga is very extreme. We have used contrast of peach color with the lehengas. The booties are 3 types of booties that has been used on dupatta. Each dupatta has been made in a peach, and you can make a second dupatta in the same color. The dupatta border comes with a single border with a dabka highlighting to give it an extension. Talking about the blouse for the lehenga, the blouse comes with 2 sleeves that are very heavy with a front and a back. You will have the quality of the fabric is really very nice. That is, it is mulberry fabric, very extremely fine fabric that we are using like about 10,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees to make one lehenga. Harul's Barat. This design is very popular that we used to make in 8 kalis. For the flare reasons, we have extended this piece into 10 kalis now. This lehenga is again exceptionally beautiful with all the nalki and white dabka used in it. We have created a barat that is going from left to right in the lower part of the lehenga, giving it a canopy look with booties all over it. The tagadi pattern looks exceptionally beautiful, and the lehenga comes with a contrast of peach color dupatta with booties all over it. This lehenga is customizable in any color you want. The blouse comes in a choli cut pattern, that is the front and the back. It's a total heavy blouse that comes with a back that has all booties over it. Exceptionally beautiful lehenga that comes in the range of 54,500 in 10 colors. Two lehengas that I'm not showing in the video, but if you want to have a look, you can WhatsApp me. These designs are extremely beautiful, but I have kept this design for the next video. Again, here is a golden color lehenga. Super hit lehenga that comes in a jal concept with a very heavy dupatta. Created this piece for the range of 42,000 rupees only over golden colored fabric with a dull look all over it. Total jal concept in the lower part of the lehenga and comes with a booty in the upper part. The dupatta of the lehenga is exceptionally heavy. You can see the border of the lehenga is about 3.5 inches with all the heavy Zardozi work in it. Very super hit lehenga, hot selling in a very unique color. For 42,000 rupees only, that is made in 10 colors with a very nice work. It is priced at 39,000 rupees at Kundan's Bridal Couture, which dupatta comes in a cut work border in pista green color. Let's come to the next design. That is peach colored design that we call Abdullah, which is a very light piece weight lehenga in a full flare. The fabric used in the lehenga is taffeta silk. It's a shiny fabric with a fine quality which can hold the work for more than about 20 years. The dupatta is a 1.5 inch border, comes with a pista green color. It's a very lightweight lehenga with empty regions all over the skirt and booties given all over it, giving it a very simple and sophisticated look. Very royal piece. If you want something that is unique and in a pastel shade, you can easily go for this design. This is one design in pista green color which I will show in next video. Talking about Sitare Mulberry. It's a very unique design that we have created over a baby pink colored fabric and adding magenta look to it. Just showing you the work in this closely. The work is very nice in this lehenga. All the dabka, kardana, poth, nakshi, sequence and kundan has been used to give it a very unique touch. Very super hit lehenga that comes with a contrast of coral color gives it an exceptionally beautiful look. To book the piece, visit our Instagram page, DM me or WhatsApp me on 9958092939. Kundan's Bridal Couture, Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Orange color lehenga created this something that is very unique with white motifs used all over it. We priced this lehenga for 38,000 and if you want the pictures, please WhatsApp me on the given number. This video with all the designs that I have shown you are exceptionally beautiful. If you want any design, then the prices are mentioned on the video, and if you want to get it delivered outside India, then we charge extra for the delivery thing. The stitching of the lehenga and tassels and all the material is included in the price. We provide lehenga with exceptionally beautiful tassels and a holder and hanger which comes with a complete set to keep it, store it and use it. All the designs are very created with more than like a team of 70 people and are very beautiful. Please guys, stop commenting on the videos that they are very expensive, because we try to keep the quality in our mind. If you want a quality products, then the prices are gonna be like this only. If you're finding the same pieces in 20 to 25,000 anywhere, I guarantee the pieces are not the same. It's just the design, because the material that is used on the lehengas, that is not good, because the lehenga can turn into black in very few days. Let's end this video, and I promise that the quality and the fabric, everything is gonna be very supreme in our lehengas, and we give a considerable amount of efforts on every part of the lehenga. Stitching of the lehenga will be done by experienced tailors, and the karigars that we use in the lehengas are very skillful. So please choose Kundan's Bridal Couture for your lehengas booking, and please try Kundan's Bridal Couture for once in your lifetime.